This topic is a voice search and e-commerce, how you can adopt voice commerce. Hello, my name is Mehul Brambhat, founder of an international IT company Matrix Bricks. In this video, we will explore how you can adopt your online store to take advantage of a voice commerce. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you never miss an update. What is a voice commerce? Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a voice commerce? Well, it's all about using voice commands to make online purchases. Instead of typing, you simply speak to your device and it does the shopping for you. The rise of a voice search. Now you might be wondering, why should I care about voice commerce? The answer is simple. Voice search is on rise. More and more people are using devices like smartphones, speakers and virtual assistants to search for a products and make purchases. Optimize your product listings. So how can you adapt your online store for a voice commerce? Let's dive into some practical tips. First, optimize your product listing. Use natural language descriptions and include relevant keywords that people might use in a voice searches. Make it easy for a voice assistants to find your products. Mobile friendly website. Next up, ensure that your website is mobile friendly. Voice searches are often done on a mobile devices, so having a responsive design is a crucial. This ensures a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Implement voice search functionality. You can also implement voice search functionality on your website. This feature allows users to search for a products using their voice. It's convenient and can give your store a competitive edge. Provide clear product information. When customers use voice commands, they want a quick and accurate information. Make sure your product descriptions are clear and concise. Include important details like price, availability, and shipping options. Secure payment option. Security is a paramount in e-commerce. Ensure that your online store has a secure payment options to protect your customers' sensitive information. This builds trust and confidence in your brand. Voice commerce analytics. Lastly, keep an eye on analytics. Monitor how voice commerce is performing on your website. This data can help you fine-tune your strategy and make improvement over time. In conclusion, voice commerce is the future of e-commerce, and adapting your online store for it can give you a significant advantage. By optimizing your product listing, having a mobile-friendly website, implementing a voice search functionality, providing a clear product information, ensuring a secure payment options, and analyzing your results, you will be well on your way to success in the world of a voice commerce. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific topic, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.